Are you looking for the best wood routers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best wood routers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Makita RT0701CX7 Compact Wood Router Kit. The Makita Compact Router Kit has a powerful motor and a smooth touch. With a blade speed of 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, the tool can cut and shape wood in many settings, and the locking control mechanism will not change speed during the cut. The precision depth adjustment system allows for the user to set the depth quickly and, more important, accurately. The tool itself is durable and easy to handle. The slow start component is one of the nicest features of the Makita kit. It's a useful feature for newer router users, but also nice for more advanced users who know the chance of a tear out at the start. One drawback to this tool comes to light after prolonged use. When used for longer periods, the user will notice some vibration, which can cause slip-ups. At number 2. Enertwist Compact Wood Router. One of the best wood routers for the money is the Enertwist Compact Wood Router, a smaller unit that provides a constant running speed of 10,000 to 32,000 RPM. This helps the router make precise and clean cuts, giving your project a professional look. For the price and size, this is a great buy for the casual woodworker and domestic projects. There are both positive and negative aspects of the smaller size of the Enertwist Compact Wood Router. The positive is that it is easy to store and transport. The negative aspect is less power, which can limit project size. At number 3. DeWalt DWP611PK Wood Router. The DeWalt Wood Router is a solid router set at a premium price. This router operates on a 1.25 horsepower motor and can run anywhere from 16,000 to 27,000 RPM with ease. This router can tear through woodworking projects that are both large and small due to its ability to set and control speed. Another major plus for this tool is the fact that it has 2 LED lights and a clear base to help the operator see exactly what they are doing and where they are cutting. The DeWalt Wood Router has a compact design which is easy to use and very portable. One drawback to this machine is that it can sometimes run hot when used heavily. This happens with overuse, especially at higher RPM. At number 4. Triton 3¼ HP Wood Router. Although the Triton HP Wood Router was designed with newer woodworkers in mind, it is still used by many experienced craftsmen. What draws people to use this router is its simplicity. It is a single-button machine that switches from conventional plunge setting to fixed base router. The router can run from 800 to 21,000 RPM, which provides a stable cutting speed that is great for first-time and newer users. Again, with simplicity in mind, any adjustments that need to be made to the Triton HP Wood Router can be done with a wrench that is included with the tool. This router also provides for dust removal, keeping the tool running clean, which helps keep the motor cool. The drawback for this router is price. It is on the expensive side with fewer features than other routers. At number 5. Skil Fixed Base Corded Wood Router. The Skil Fixed Base Corded Router is a nice 10-amp fixed base router that makes clean, crisp cuts and can be adjusted to desired depth. What is nice about this tool is that it lets the operator select the speed based on the project. This makes it a great tool for more artistic and intricate projects. To help even further with detailed cutting, the router comes with 2 LED lights to help guide the work. The router uses a soft start, which gives the user a more controlled and safer start. The shape of the handles makes this tool easy to use for extended periods of time. At number 6. Lotus ER001 Electric Plunge Wood Router. The final wood router on the list is the Lotus Electric Plunge Wood Router. The router has a 1.6 horsepower motor that spins at 16,000 to 30,000 RPM. Like most routers, this router allows users to adjust their speed based on their material and project needs. The tool can be set at variable depths and provides clean cuts. One issue is the placement of the power cord, which is placed on top of the handle. This sometimes can get in the way and become a distraction. A second issue is the machine seems a bit bulky. It weighs around 9 pounds but seems heavier in use.